Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna make bubbles for you guys because I love bubbles. It's always popping. What's the ingredient? Oh my god, I only make one. Oh my god, I make two. Wait. It's not working. Oh, come on. Ooh, nice. So it's night time. So maybe I will rest first. But did I do good at the bubbles? Subscribe and then like my video if you have watched my video every day. Thank you for supporting me, even though no one supports me, but just thank you. Really appreciate it. So bye. Ava out.